This is Panda Zukovsky coming to you on the weekend of options expiration for December 2008. And let's get into our monthly recap here for the SPY position we had. And we entered into a bull put spread here on the 18th of November here. And this was for the 60 to 60 strike area on the puts, and as you can see, SPY did not break below 70, so this position has expired worthless, giving us a gain of 7.53% here. I didn't enter into a full iron Condor. I just wasn't too sure on the market on the upside this time, so I just did this trade here, and it worked out well. So as you can see here, the position is expiring here. That is 62.60, and it is as you can see, it's worthless. And our next position here is a trade I did on the USO, the oil ETF, and I did this when the oil was just under $45, and it did the 38 and 36 level bull put spread. Okay, so we were short the 38s and long the 36s. Got into the 36s when this was about 70 cents. Yeah, exactly 70 cents. So oil got crushed over here. So the bottom that I predicted did not hold here, and it closed under 35. But on the other day, when we were having this huge volume here, I exited out this long puts at $3. Okay, so this position here, okay, is a gain of 328%. Okay, so I did realize a nice gain on this. However, on the short $38 strikes, I will be exercised these short strikes, and I will be assigned the actual USO stock based on the $38 level, which is currently under water at this time and at a loss. But since I do believe that oil will make some kind of a short rally and trade higher, I'm fine holding it, and when it gets above, 35 dollars, and when it breaks even at this $38 level, I will close out the position, and then once that happens, this percentage return on the on those calls will be realized. So basically, I am expecting the USO to continue to trade in a bottoming range. This volume is indicative of this, well, it's extreme high volume here. We never had it over 40 million before, and we did for just about 3 days. So that trade is not a complete and finished trade, so that's why it's not really posted yet. So maybe next month when I close it out, I'll post it. Okay. The UUP is the options play that I sent out several months ago. We got in here when the UUP was about $26. Okay, this is for the $25 March strikes got in at $1. They were near $2 here on at some point on Wednesday. However, we did get a bounce, and right now it's trading at 135. So 35% profit so far if we close it out on Friday. But I did hear that somebody in my subscription service closed it out for a just about a 70% gain here on that day. I'm continuing to hold it. I do expect we get a break, at least another test of this 200-day moving average, at which point I'll exit. I'm looking for 100% return on this USO position. So that's pretty much the recap, and basically for this month, again, we have a gain of 7.5%. Okay, and for this year, we are at 48% return for Panda's Iron Condor subscription service for the year. Okay, we did have one bad month. Otherwise, we would be well over 70% for this year. But 48%, we'll be looking to double our money every 2 years. Stay tuned for my strategy in 2009, coming out with a great revamped Iron Condor service, which is very low risk and great return. So we'll be looking possibly even to double this rate in 2009 and reduce risk. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for that. We'll definitely at least get 48% return on 2009. This was an interesting year. We've had extreme volatility for the past, well, basically since the late summer. So things are, starting to settle down a little bit, and we'll see how this next cycle goes. So have a happy holidays and happy New Year. Until next month, we'll recap some more plays.